Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 9 maths chapter 7 triangles. We are going to see the 7th question in exercise 7.1. Let's look into the question, children. So here we are given that AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. So P is the midpoint of AB. And D and E are points on the same side of AB. Okay, on the same side of AB you have D and E such that angle BAD, okay, that is E and D are on same sides of AB. Okay, same side. So E is here and D is here. Okay, so here you have BAD is equal to angle ABE. So this angle, and then we are given that EPA, this angle, is equal to DPB, this angle. So we are asked to prove that these two triangles are congruent. I have told you already, when you are asked to prove two triangles are congruent or when you are given some hint about triangles, draw those triangles separately first. So you have DAP. Okay, where is your DAP here? So here is your DAP. Let me write as it is DAP. I am just drawing a normal triangle, but here we are given an obtuse triangle. Okay, children, but since we are just taking it for consideration, I am not looking that into account. Okay, if you want to draw it in that way also, nothing wrong, it will be correct only. So for DAP, and then you have E, B and P. Okay, DAP and EBP. So first we need to prove that these two are congruent. We already know that P is the midpoint. So P is the midpoint means we will have AP is equal to BP. AP is equal to BP since P is midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. So I can say AP is equal to BP, and then we are given that BAD is equal to ABE. BAD. Okay, BAD, I can also name it as PAD. Okay, so this angle. So we are given that PAD is equal to, instead of ABE, we can write it as so we have PAD and then BAD, we are writing it as PAD, and then we have ABE. So ABE we can write it as EPB. Okay, so likewise we can write it. Okay, so in that case you can say that, so this is also equal EBP, and you can say DAP. So it is equal to EBP. So this is given. This is given. Now we are given that APE or EPA is equal to DPB. So from this diagram we can see that, so this is the first triangle which you have taken and this is the second triangle which you have taken. So in both these triangles, so we can see that this is one common bridge. Okay, so along with this EPA, if I am going to add EPD, if I am going to add EPD, okay, likewise here also if I am going to add EPD, what we will get? You will get this as angle APD. This will be angle APD and this will be angle BPE. BPE. So let me mark it here. APD is equal to angle BPE. Now look at these two, children. You have the ASA congruency. ASA congruency. So therefore we can say triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP as per the ASA congruency. ASA congruency, and we know that for two congruent triangles the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay, so as per CPCT we can very well say all the sides are going to be equal. So AB is equal to BE. Okay, AB is equal to BE. So that's what I'm going to write next. So AD is equal to BE. So this is as per CPCT. So we have proved both the first and the second question. It's very simple, children. So when you are given like this, if you do one, you will automatically be able to do with the second one also. Is it clear? So once again, we just have a quick run through. We are given that P is the midpoint. So we are able to say AP is equal to BP. Okay, and then we are given these two angles are equal. So with that directly we are able to do. But when we are solving these two, we are considering the common angle, so that we are able to say that this angle will be equal. Okay, so for APD angle and EPB angle will be equal. So with that we are able to say that these two triangles are congruent. Even if you draw the triangles like this, it's going to be same, children. So if you're going to write P, D and A, okay, you will have to draw a similar triangle, only then it will be easy for you. So DAP you will have EBP. Okay, so here you have AP is equal to BP. We are given that these two angles are equal. We proved that these two angles are equal because of this in between angle. Okay, so we added both and then we were able to see that these two angles are equal. So we've got the angle side angle ASA congruency, and through that we saw that these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, from corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we are able to say that AD is equal to BE. So this is all you will have to do with, children. So with this we are completing the 7th question in exercise 7.1. Hope you understood this, children. If you have any doubt, please get back to the video once again and try to understand, children. We have one more question, 8th question, which we'll be doing in the upcoming video, children. Thank you, children.